you going after a ball? No.
That's a big dog.
There's a yellow one here too. How many have you got?
Yeah.
There we go. We're ball hogs.
Koya and Wrigley both seem to have the ability to carry 2 balls at once.
Oh, she totally does. Yeah,
And shake.
Come here.
Ember.
Koya, come here. Koya.
Ember.
All right, put that one up. Give it up. Okay. All right. Who's throwing?
Lexi keeps slipping. She doesn't get the idea of, you gotta jump.
She'll figure it out. There you go. Hey! Who's back in the game today, yeah?
Awesome.
Just trying to...
Ricky, go water, sweetie.
Good girl, Pup-Pup. Good girl.
Hey, Goose, look at that. Drop now. That is not a good bird.
Oh, jeez.
Drop that out of her mouth to go for that one.
Yeah, she's
Shame on
doing.
her.
I'm going to tell her that there's one here, and she's going to try to have it out.
Who's that way in the back there? Is that Ember?
Out there? Going towards one?
Shelby. It's okay. She just... Oh,
Behind Lexi. Who's that?
That's Koya.
Hi. Come on. There's no balls out there.
Is this Ember with Lexi?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, guys.
Lily pads, sweetie, not balls. Come on.
Take the balls. Take the balls. Thank you. Ember.
At least here there's no current.
Yeah, right? Oh, Lexi.
I have one more throw toy if you want to add one more to the mix.
Oh, pretty cool.
Go ahead. Get the ball, sweetie.
Is that Cooey going after the ball in the back? Yay!
Good boy, Parrot.
Can't tell who's who.
Oh, dear. There's one ball short.
I have one more toy.
No, that's it. I think we're probably better this way.
Lexi, you don't have to go after every ball.
What's the first one of it?
Hi, big boy.
Oh, did you just give up on that one?
He's pulling an Ember.
Yay! Intercepted.
Did you maybe bring it to shore though? You've been out there a long time.
Lexi, gotta come back. The ball's gone.
Let me get Cooey out so she at least shakes off a little because she might be around soon.
Oh, much.